Lighting is huge. If your stuff isn't lit well, A, no one can see it. B, just looks like shit. C, there's no reason it has to look bad. Lighting scares a lot of people. People are thinking, oh, I don't know how to set up lights, or I don't own lights. The solution's very easy. I'm probably gonna do an entire video on this subject itself. Just move to a window. That's it. Just stand in front of a window. If you're shooting an object, just move to a window. Find the light, essentially. If it's dark outside, maybe don't take the photo unless you're trying to go for night photography. If you're trying to take a picture of something in a restaurant and the lighting's poor, just wait. Just do it tomorrow. You know, if it's grainy and it looks bad and you can't figure out the light, there's probably a reason you shouldn't be taking the photo right now. Unless that's your job, and that's a whole other story. We're just talking about regular people taking photos on a regular basis, and we want to up that quality. You're not gonna die. There's no fire. Wait till tomorrow. Wait for golden hour. And if you don't know when golden hour is, you can Google it. There's apps to show it. You can ask Siri, hey Siri, when's golden hour? Window light is naturally diffused, especially if you're on a cloudy day. That cloud cover provides like a big giant softbox, if you will. So your photo is probably gonna end up looking 100 times better, and you're gonna say to yourself, damn, this actually looks incredible. You're welcome. Number